it's a huge industry. It's over $150 billion industry, and you're right. We don't typically hear about it. It doesn't always sell. It's not pretty. It's not romantic to talk about. We want to focus on entertainment. We want to focus on. We're more worried about who wore what to a dinner than the 100,000 kids that are being sold for sex just in the United States. So it's somewhere between 100,000 to 300,000 kids being sold for sex every year just within our country. There's 40 million people caught up in human trafficking right now. There's more people, they call it modern day slavery. And there's more people entrapped in this slavery than any other time in our country.
Wow.
So the numbers are out there. It's growing. It'll slowly take over the drug trade because it is a renewable source.
Yeah.
And again, these people are just being sold over and over again within our country. In fact, it's been found in all 50 states. I just got a call from Hawaii. Where they've rescued a kid, and now we're working to get a kid from Hawaii over to our safe house. Wow. So it is everywhere, big city, small city, rural, and we need to raise awareness.